many of the people, the few people who remained here when it was so dangerous and, and in such a terrible state, those people came to committee meetings and helped us understand how they thought the community should be developed. And so they participated, and at the end they had units here, but they put up with an awful lot to eventually have a good living condition. We're standing now right beside the Central Mall. That was an idea of Joan Goody, the architect, to have an identity to this community so that every one of the streets would relate to this Central Mall. And of course, we went to Commonwealth Avenue Mall, we studied the dimensions of other malls, and we came to this dimension. We planned to have parallel parking right from the start, and then have this double row of trees, some recreation. You can see the tennis courts, but it's mostly a green space to give identity and a special sense of this place. Now, part of the whole idea was that everyone was joining in to make this project a success, and the state promised to make a linear park along the waterfront, which would be separate from the community, which was part of the private developer's property for 99 years, I think. My thought was that the experience of coming along this waterfront park would really be living inside a Fitz Hugh Lane painting. And I really didn't want to put a fence along there, because in all the Fitz Hugh Lane paintings, you enter into the landscape. You're part of the landscape. There's nothing that seals you off. So I was hoping we would be able to edge this park safely, but still have this sense of being part of this waterfront island landscape. And we were able to obtain these large granite blocks that you see, and we were able to slope the riprap of the edge so it wouldn't be a vertical drop. And that's how we got this nice openness and the big granite blocks that people can sit on, but also keep people from, young people, particularly children, from tumbling over.